They say youth defines beauty, but we believe confidence defines power. Because age is not something to hide, it's something to wear proudly. Welcome back to Model Over 40, where beauty evolves, confidence deepens, and every year adds power to a woman's presence. Age is not the end of beauty, it is the beginning of confidence. In a world that constantly tells women to stay young, we choose something different. We choose growth. We choose self-respect. We choose to celebrate the strength that only time can build, because confidence isn't discovered overnight, it is earned through lessons, heartbreaks, victories, reinventions, and resilience. She didn't grow older, she grew bolder. There is something extraordinary about a woman who knows who she is. She no longer competes. She no longer compares. She no longer asks for permission. Instead, she walks into every room with quiet power. Not because she's the youngest, but because she's the most certain. Turning 40, 50, and beyond is not about losing beauty. It's about redefining it. It's about understanding that elegance is not in perfection, it's in presence. It's in posture. It's in self-belief. Wrinkles tell stories, and confidence makes them glow. Every line carries laughter. Every scar carries survival. Every gray hair carries wisdom. And when a woman embraces those marks instead of hiding them, she becomes unstoppable. That's the kind of beauty we honor here. On this channel, we celebrate women who rise stronger with time. Women who reinvent themselves. Women who start businesses, launch careers, model boldly, travel freely, love deeply, and live unapologetically. Age does not close doors. Fear does. And once fear is gone, life truly begins. Confidence isn't found in youth, it's built through experience. When you stop chasing approval, you start attracting respect. When you stop trying to look younger, you start looking powerful. When you stop shrinking yourself, you start shining naturally. So if you're watching this and wondering whether it's too late to begin again, whether it's too late to follow your passion, whether it's too late to stand in front of the camera, change your style, speak your truth, or choose yourself, remember this. The older she gets, the less permission she needs. Your timeline is yours. Your glow is yours. Your story is yours. Confidence is the real anti-aging secret. And here's the truth: beauty changes, trends change, the world changes, but a woman who knows her worth only becomes more magnetic with time. She stopped chasing youth and started owning her power. Thank you for being part of this movement. A movement that proves women don't fade after 40, they focus, they flourish, they fly. If you believe age is power, not limitation, make sure you like, subscribe, and join this growing community of bold, radiant women. Because growing older is mandatory, but growing powerful is a choice. And here on Model Over 40, we don't age. We elevate.